In this video we can talk about top 5 Workday alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives Co channel for exploring the best alternatives to popular software. In today's video, we'll discuss the top 5 alternatives to Workday. That are SAP, Oracle, ADP Workforce Now, Bamboo and Paylocity, offering similar functionality and features as cloud-based HR management systems. The first alternative on our list is SAP. SAP is an enterprise application software that has been leading the market for decades, serving companies of all sizes and in all industries. It offers features like enhanced organizational agility, improved talent intelligence, HR analytics and workforce planning, and talent management. TS user-centric approach to ERP has disrupted the industry and helped organizations to achieve their goals. One of the standout features of SAP is its ability to create networks of intelligent enterprises. Second alternative is Oracle. Oracle is a leading software and systems company that specializes in providing solutions to the most complex needs of businesses of all sizes. It offers features like workforce modeling and predictions, strategic workforce planning, advanced HCM controls, and HCM analytics. Lately, Oracle has become an essential tool for companies looking to streamline operations and stay ahead of the competition. One of the key features of Oracle is its versatility. Moving on to our third alternative, we have ADP Workforce Now. ADP Workforce Now is a comprehensive HR management software designed to simplify HR tasks and enhance employee experiences. It offers features like customized reporting, annual IRS reporting, compliance services, and time and attendance. Its ability to adapt to the unique needs of every business is a testament to its versatility and flexibility. And one of its standout features is that it enables businesses to manage their employee records while ensuring compliance with employment regulations. Our fourth alternative is Bamboo. Bamboo is a cloud-based human resources HR software that provides an efficient and effective platform for managing a company's HR functions. It offers a wide array of features, including employee onboarding, time-off tracking, performance management, and electronic signatures. Bamboo's intuitive design and affordable pricing make it an excellent option for businesses looking for a scalable and cost-effective HR solution. Also, one of its standout features is its ability to centralize all employee information in one location. Fifth alternative is Paylocity. Paylocity is an industry-leading HR and payroll tech software that has been revolutionizing the way businesses handle their employee management needs. Its features include recruiting, onboarding, talent management, benefits administration, and integrations. Be it a small business or a large corporation, Paylocity's versatile tools will help them stay competitive and successful in the ever-changing business landscape. One of its standout features is the mobile-friendly platform that allows employees to access their HR information from anywhere. Compared to Workday, SAP offers a comprehensive suite of HR solutions, making it a suitable choice for medium to large enterprises. Oracle, on the other hand, comes with robust integration capabilities, giving it an edge in terms of versatility. ADP Workforce Now stands out as a comprehensive HR management software, covering various aspects such as payroll, time and attendance, and talent management. Then we have Bamboo, a reliable and user-friendly HR management software that simplifies complex HR processes, streamlines time-consuming tasks. Lastly, there's Paylocity, that offers a cloud-based HR and payroll software solution with a range of features, including payroll management and talent management. Considering the various factors, if you're looking for an alternative that offers comprehensive HR management capabilities similar to Workday, we recommend ADP Workforce Now is the best option. With its extensive range of functionalities, ADP Workforce Now can meet the HR needs of businesses of all sizes. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.